Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of Gen Z uses AI, but security concerns are rising. That's right, half of the younger generation relies on AI. But they're getting worried about data breaches, hacking, and more. Stay tuned to learn more. Setup 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Gen Z's AI usage is skyrocketing. A recent study shows they're souring on AI due to security concerns. But AI tools are here to stay. They're changing the game for businesses. From chatbots to design templates. Let's dive into the top AI tools and the security concerns you need to know. ChatGPT 1 to 230. ChatGPT answers questions with 90% accuracy. Its impressive feature? Speed. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of 2 hours, ChatGPT does it in 2 minutes. For free, or just $20 a month. Entrepreneurs, this is a game changer. Save time, boost productivity. But what about security? ChatGPT uses encryption to keep your data safe. But be cautious with sensitive info. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper generates high-quality content in minutes. Its best feature? Ease of use. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 5 hours, Jasper does it in 30 minutes. For just $29 a month. Content creators, rejoice. Save time, create more. But what about security? Jasper has robust safeguards to protect your content. But be mindful of plagiarism. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude helps with marketing automation and lead generation. Its impressive feature? Personalization. Imagine you need to send emails. Instead of 1 hour, Claude does it in 10 minutes. With a free trial, you can test it. Marketers, this is a must-try. Boost engagement, sales. But what about security? Claude uses secure servers to keep your data safe. But be cautious with email lists. Notion 5:30 to 6:30. Notion streamlines team collaboration and project management. Its best feature? Flexibility. Imagine you need to manage a project. Instead of 3 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. For just $4.99 a month. Teams, this is a no-brainer. Save time, boost productivity. But what about security? Notion has enterprise-grade security to protect your data. But be mindful of access controls. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva offers AI-powered design templates. Its impressive feature? Creativity. Imagine you need to design a logo. Instead of 2 hours, Canva does it in 20 minutes. For free,